Hello everyone, welcome to Scholar Labs, a unique virtual platform that brings science experiments to life through immersive 3D augmented reality and engaging content. Our simulations ignite curiosity and enhance classroom experiences crafted by expert teachers and accessible on all devices without special equipment. Today I will be taking you through the simulation Animal Husbandry Cattle Farming. This simulation allows you to create a cattle farm and build out the best surrounding ecosystem to maximize dairy production while keeping them in best health. Click on this I button on the top right corner of the screen for the objectives of the simulation. This button will also guide you through the simulation by giving you step by step instructions on how to use it. Click on the Start button to experience the farm life. Cattle husbandry is done for two purposes: milk and draft labor for agricultural work. Milk producing females are called milch animals, while the ones used for farm labor are called draft animals. Try to develop a good animal farm with high production and health points by taking into consideration various factors given at the bottom of the screen. Left click the mouse and drag it to have a 360-degree view of the farm. The dairy cows have three types of breeds: indigenous breed, exotic breed, and cross breed. Red Sindhi is a medium sized indigenous breed that shows excellent resistance to diseases. Jersey is a foreign breed of cows that has been successfully used for crossbreeding in our country. It is the original breed of island of Jersey. It has long lactation period. The two can be crossbred to get animals with both the desired qualities. Select any of the cow as the cattle type and then go to select and proceed to proceed to the next stage. Keep a note of productivity and health scores given at the top of your screen after every stage. Proper housing facilities provide high quality milk and is important to keep the cattle disease free. Choose the maintenance facility for the selected cattle and then proceed to the next section. The food required by dairy animals is called feed. Cattle need balanced ration containing all the nutrients in proportionate amounts to promote health and high milk output during lactation period. Select the preferred feed for the cattle and then click on select and proceed. Cattle reared for food need protection against diseases as they adversely affect the production of milk. So it is recommended to get them vaccinated from time to time. Again click on select and proceed. Take note of your score in productivity and health points. Click here to view detailed breakup of your score. Close the detailed breakup by clicking on this cross button. Click on play again to restart the simulation to try out other breeds of cattle with different combination of factors to increase your score. Thanks for watching.